Most games that claim to pay real cash offline don't actually generate money without internet. The offline part usually refers to gameplay, while earnings still require online syncing to track rewards and process payouts. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of games labeled as offline-friendly cash games, how they actually track rewards, and what really controls whether you can cash out. Start with what offline cash games actually means. In most cases, you can play without internet for short periods, but your progress, points, and earnings only update once you reconnect. So offline is about access, not payment. First category is puzzle games with offline progression. These games let you play levels without internet, but rewards are recorded once you reconnect and sync your account. Second category is idle-style reward games. These apps continue generating in-game progress while you're away, and earnings are calculated and updated when you come back online. Third category is minigame reward apps with offline play modes. These apps allow gameplay without connection, but all rewards are stored locally until synced to the server. Fourth category is hybrid reward games with offline compatibility. These apps combine multiple game types and allow offline play, but cash rewards still depend on online verification before withdrawal. Fifth category is ad-supported reward games with offline gameplay. These apps let you play offline to earn progress, but actual reward redemption requires going back online to validate activity. Now here's what actually matters more than offline access. Syncing speed affects how fast your offline progress turns into real rewards. Some apps update instantly, others take time depending on server load. Minimum withdrawal limits also matter. Even if you earn offline, you still need to reach a set threshold before cashing out. And reward verification systems control whether offline progress is fully accepted or partially adjusted after syncing. So offline cash games are really about gameplay flexibility, not offline income generation. Summary: games that pay real cash offline still require online syncing for rewards. Earnings depend on verification systems, payout thresholds, and sync behavior. Offline access doesn't mean offline income. Next step: try one offline capable reward game and check how quickly your progress updates once you reconnect to the internet. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.